The Contact Sync tool lets you sync your phone contact information with QuickBase. Tap the plus icon to import any contact information to your mobile device. The contact information will be automatically added to your phone's address book. Tap the edit icon to edit any QuickBase record and save it back to QuickBase. Tap the Add button to add a new contact record to QuickBase. You can choose to add a new record manually if you do not have an existing contact in your phone's address book. Choose the Select Contact option to search your phone's address book and select Contact. The selected contact information will be automatically added to QuickBase as a new record. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arc1.dev.